In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a new bill in QuickBooks Online. If you receive vendor invoices for things like supplies, utilities, or services you haven't paid yet, entering them as bills keeps your records accurate and your cash flow clear. It also ensures your accounts payable reflects what you owe and when it's due. Start from your QuickBooks Online dashboard and head to the top left. Click the New button to open the Create menu, then choose Bill. This takes you to the bill form, where you'll enter everything from who you owe to what the charges are for. Begin with the vendor. Select the vendor from your list so QuickBooks knows who the bill is from. Once the vendor is selected, check the mailing address that appears. If it autofills, make sure it matches the document you received. Keeping this consistent helps with organization and future communications. Next, set the terms, date, and due date. Terms are the payment conditions from your vendor, such as net 30. Selecting terms will automatically calculate the due date based on the bill date, but you can adjust the due date if your vendor's invoice specifies something different. Be sure the bill date matches the date on the vendor's invoice, since that affects your reporting period and payment timeline. Enter the bill number exactly as it appears on the vendor document. This is important for tracking and to avoid duplicate entries. If you ever need to search for this bill later, the bill number will make it easy to find. Now add the details of what you're being billed for. You can record these under items or categories. Use items if you track specific products or services you buy regularly. Enter the product or service, quantity, rate, and any applicable tax. Use categories. If the expense is more general, like office supplies or utilities, and assign it to the appropriate expense account. If you need to clarify what a line relates to, use the description field so anyone reviewing the bill understands the charge. Take a moment to confirm amounts, line totals, and the overall total match the vendor's invoice. When everything looks right, click Save. That's it. Your bill is now recorded in Accounts Payable and will be included in your unpaid bills list until you're ready to pay it. Keeping bills entered promptly helps you stay on top of due dates, avoid late fees, and maintain accurate financial reports. Thanks for watching, and now you know exactly how to add a new bill in QuickBooks Online with confidence.